I'm here with this penis cat. It's Gage's. Ow! Say hi, Gage. In the vlog. Okay, so this thing is like weird. Oh, it's like stabbing me, man. This thing, look at its claws, dude. Its claws are so weird. That doesn't look normal. This thing's trying to kill someone. Oh shit. Oh, it's running. Let's go. Oh my god. Nope. He's fine, he likes it, I'm not joking. We literally smack his stomach and he's just like... Alright, just so you guys know, alright, we're not abusing the animal. It's just, I don't appreciate boogers being flinged down my mirror. Exactly. And shit on my wall. And shit on his way. What? Look at it, stop smoking.
¿Está qué?
The toilet's smoking.
Smoking. Dije, ¿cómo smoking?
The toilet was smoking.
How that happen?
He's smoking.
No. Wait a minute. No. Wait. No. Oh my God. Look at. Oh. Ay, I say. No. It can't be.
Alright guys, so in my last vlog, when I came to my old house in Riverside, I showed you guys this tree house right here. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. Alright, so look, here's the little like steps, and then it's in a big tree. Honestly, it's not much of a tree house. It's literally just a house next to a tree. It's not even in the tree. And then you have, this is what the actual, like, there's the windows and the roof and shit. And then, I don't know why I had a little chair here. What the fuck is this though? Oh shit, this is a knife. What the fuck? Okay, they definitely killed someone in here. Tried my hardest. It doesn't look that good because I use this thing. And you know what? Just to creep the kids out who buy this house, I'm gonna leave that there. So I found this thingy. I don't know. I'm gonna try to flip it. No. What happened? Oh my god.
So,
like,
I heard...
Dude, it's cracked.
It's fucked.
Okay.
I heard tonight that apparently someone was grabbing a fucking pong ball.
Uh-huh.
And he was so drunk he just went up and fucking fell into it.
Damn.
And I heard about it and I didn't realize it would be this bad.
Dude, oh wait, it's actually broken through. Dude, I hope there was no one in that chair when this happened.
See the boat right there? You see?
That's his boat?
That's his boat, look, it's out there. The nigga's dipping.
He's gonna go
fuck that chick on a boat, I think.
Nine. 8 to 9. Get shit on! Dude, you're crazy. Oh, he made it. Connor, you're fucking insane, dude. As you can hear, there's fireworks going on. So it's 3rd of July right now, and me and my dad are actually in Riverside. Right now we're making a fire, and people are doing fireworks like really early. Woo! It got huge.
En el ranchito, hi, how are you?
Are we both YouTubers now?
Tómame a mí.
Okay. Guys, CJ just took off on Cooper's fucking 110. Oh, he's coming back. I can hear him. He's coming. Look at him. Look at him. Dude, he's speeding. Oh my god. Bro, he just straight up took his 110. He's zooming.
No way. Nigga's going like 40.
Bro.
Cooper. Hey, Cooper.
got it. Gang, gang. Wait, he's gonna. That's gonna rip, dude.
Oh no, that's metal. It's metal.
It's metal? Oh, what the fuck?
All alone, why he out fucking around with them hoes? Cause your boyfriend's a bitch, he ain't shit. He can suck on my dick, I ain't with all that shit. Why he do you like this when you're all alone?